It will be a test of skill, fitness, and of course character, adapting to certain situations.
What test are you talking about?
I'm talking about the England versus India first test match starting in Nottingham on 4th of August.
I understand it's a test for all the cricketers, but how is it a test for me?
Yes, Yaman, it's a test of your skill to predict. Cricket world will throw questions at you. You have to answer and then win cool prizes. So let's glance through the rules. We will give you 4 options. You can choose any of them or your choice can be outside of these 4. Doesn't move only.
I wouldn't because I'm Joe Root. I cannot be uprooted.
So Joe Root, among the batsmen, I tell you, 2 innings put together, which batsman is going to score the maximum runs? Viewers, you predict. So number 1 is Joe Root. I give a little bit of stat, Yaman, in England, Root against India, 10 test matches, 929 runs at a very, very staggering average of 54.25.
You look like Virat Kohli.
Spot on, man. So the number 2 choice for the viewers is Virat Kohli.
Let me give you the stats. He's played 10 matches, he scored 727 runs, and his average is 36. I'm a little confused between Jack Crawley and Ben Stokes since Jack Crawley has got more runs.
Yaman, it should be Jack Crawley.
Hey, you played it like Rishabh Pant.
Exactly, Rishabh Pant. Look at his stat in England. 9 test matches, 604 runs, average is quite good, 46.4. That is number 4. Yaman, in test cricket, to play long innings, you got to have fierce concentration. That's how you survive 1 or 2 days.
So how do we develop that level of concentration?
Here is one exercise that is suited for this. So can you leave your bat, mate? So you see, there are 2 hands. Usually you should have a focusing mitts. And when you say hit the right hand, I'll hit the right hand. When you say left, I'll hit left. When you say both, I will say both. Okay, now it starts.
Right,
Yeah.
left, right, left, right, left, both, left.
So you see, I have not missed one. Means I am concentrating. Left, right, both.
How long should I do it?
1 minute. Then you rest for a minute and you can do at least 10 rounds. Cool. And the benefit is your mind, the moment I say right, your mind has to be right there so that you react. So your mind is fully there, like you're watching the ball. It is prediction on the bowlers.
My bet is on James Anderson, sir. Against India, he's played 17 matches and he's taken 84 wickets.
Option 2 is Jasprit Bumrah. 3 test matches in England, Yaman 14 wickets.
Option 3 is Stuart Broad. He's played 14 matches and he's taken 60 wickets against India.
Now in England, Mohammad Sami, that's the option number 4. He has played 9 test matches and 25 wickets. For the fast bowlers, score is a very important part. Be it Anderson, Sami, whatever. So this is one exercise, we call it slam. So this is how the bowler goes, bang. Okay, go, perfect. 10 both sides and you do 3 sets of this. All these core muscles, the rotational core comes into play. We go for our prediction number 3. What is that? Who is going to win? Or is it a draw? India for me.
England for me.
And draw or a tie. That is your things. So option 1, India wins. Option 2,
England wins.
option 3, draw. Option 4, tie. Make your predictions right and
Win cool prizes.
And be ready for more such predictions in the coming episodes in cricketworld.com.